What's up, guys? It's Tay Nelson, and you already know what we're about to talk about. We are going to talk about everything, all things, anything entrepreneur. So, let's get started. If you don't know who I am, I run a six-figure marketing agency. I basically run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads for other businesses, and I do it from the comfort of my home, right here on this computer, right here on this phone. Again, boils down to the assets and liabilities. Is your computer an asset for you, or is it a liability? And the easiest way to know that is, what do you do on it? Are you watching Netflix? Are you watching porn? Are you scrolling through the timeline on your computer, or are you using it to make you money and build your brand? That's as simple as it gets. If you're not using it to make you money and build your brand, then your computer is a liability. It is not an asset. An asset produces for you day in and day out, monthly, weekly, whatever. It produces cash flow. It produces a certain lifestyle. That is an asset. My phone is an asset. Right now, I'm using it to record my voice because my camera is way over there. So let's get started. In this video, I want to talk about how I built 4+ streams of income using just one skill. Now, I have a coaching program and I talk to my students all the time, right? And what I find in my coaching program, what I find with my students is that a lot of them have mastered one skill. Of course, there's different levels of mastering, but we're just going to call it mastering one skill for the sake of conversation. Of course, they're not a master. You can never really truly be a master. You're always really learning every step of the way. But that's besides the point, right? So I have these students that have mastered one skill, right? And they're looking to get into my program. They're looking to find another skill where they can generate more money, right? But what I always tell them is I stop them right there and I say, hey, do not look for another skill to make more money until you can milk that one skill that you have. And what I mean by that is I have one skill. My skill is being a marketer. I'm able to run ads on Facebook and generate customers for businesses, right? I'm able to do that for businesses. I'm able to do it for myself. I'm able to do it for anyone. So that's my one skill. I'm able to use social media to generate customers. That is my skill right there, right? So because of this skill, I'm able to build 4 different streams of income. Actually, way more than 4. But for the sake of the conversation, we'll say 4+. So I'll list them off for you. So again, with just one skill, being able to generate customers using social media for businesses and for myself, I'm able to build 4+ streams of income using just one skill. So the first stream of income I was able to build using this one skill is obviously my marketing agency. Me actually running ads for clients and generating them customers. That built a stream of income for me, which was more than $10,000 plus per month. The second stream of income I was able to build is consulting. And basically what consulting is like half of the work of a marketing agency. So with my marketing agency, I come up with the strategies and I actually carry out and implement the strategies. We call that fulfillment. With consulting, I basically come up with the strategy and I don't actually handle the fulfillment. So there's money in consulting, there's money in marketing. So that's the 2 ways I built my 2 streams of income using one skill. Now, the third way I built another stream of income is by creating a digital product. Now, my digital product is a digital course where I teach other marketing agencies, entrepreneurs, and business owners how they can build an agency the exact same way that I have. They can literally clone my entire agency. I have a free training. I'll drop the link in the description box. You can check that out. That is the third way I built a third stream of income using just one skill. Now, the fourth way, which is a way that I don't do too often, but it is something that I do, and it's probably the least amount of monetary value in my streams of income, and that is freelancing. So what I do on the side is, I'll write ads for clients, and it's just, 2 to 3 week projects. Basically, I work with them, I do the research, and I write their ads. I build their Facebook campaigns, and that's it. I don't manage it. I don't complete the fulfillment. I don't do anything with the leads. It's just like a one-off thing where they pay me for my services and I write their ads, and that's it. It's basically just freelancing. There's a lot of people out there who do that, copywriting freelancers. So I do that on the side as well. That's how I built my 4th stream of income. And then the 5th one, which is my favorite, well, not really my favorite, but it's my favorite for you because anyone could do this one, and that's called affiliate marketing. So these YouTubers, they have massive attention. They get all these they have all these eyeballs on their YouTube channel, and how they make money is obviously through affiliate marketing. Basically, they'll buy a camera on Amazon, and people message them all the time. What camera do you use? What laptop do you use? What lights do you use? What's that stuff in the background, right? And so all they do is sign up for affiliate program so wherever they buy their products, they sign up for an affiliate link on there. And basically what that does is that allows them to get a percentage of the profits of what people purchase through that website. Hopefully that didn't confuse you. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you should probably look into that. But basically what I do is I sign up for affiliate links through certain softwares, and whenever my clients use those software, I get a percentage, 10, 20, 30, 40%, depending on what it is. So basically, if I use the software in my agency and someone else wants to use the same software, I can send them a unique link. Every time they pay that software company, I get a percentage of it. That's called affiliate marketing. A lot of YouTubers do it. So whenever you're watching a YouTube channel and someone's doing their makeup, right, and they're saying, hey, you can get the makeup here for 50% off. All you got to do is enter this code. That's affiliate marketing. Basically, what's happening is they're selling someone else's product to the viewer clicks on the link, the viewer buys the products, and they get a percentage of it. That's affiliate marketing. You don't need any products, you don't need anything. All you need to do is go on Amazon, go on one of these websites, scroll down to the bottom, click become an affiliate, and they will give you a unique link, and anyone who buys anything through that link, you get a percentage of it. That's just how you can make free money using something that you didn't even create. All you're basically doing is spreading the word, which is why Amazon is a huge company, because they allow other people to make money on their platform. They allow people to sell their products on there, and they allow people to make money off of other people buying Amazon products through their unique links. That is why Amazon is so huge, because they allow other people to make money. And I remember a long time ago, I saw on a movie or a TV show, and it was this quote. It always stuck with me. And once I found out, and once I did my research on Amazon, it made sense to me. So the quote was, and don't quote me on it, I might say it wrong, but you won't make real money until people learn to make money off of you. So the biggest example of that is Amazon. Amazon lets anyone make money off of them through affiliate links, and anyone can sell products on Amazon. That's why Amazon is bigger than Walmart, bigger than any company ever, right? The same way a lot of these gurus are making big money, because they're creating courses that is allowing other people to make money off of them. The same way that I created a course and I'm allowing other marketing agencies and entrepreneurs to make money off of me. So I'm at the beginning of my journey. Of course, I'm not making millions of dollars, but I'm making good money. So if you want to learn more, I put links in the description. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe and like and do all that stuff. Comment. I don't get a lot of engagement on my videos, so that needs to change, guys. So what do I got to do to get more engagement? Do I got to offer money? Do I got to offer my course? Do I got to throw something at you guys? Is that what it is? I got to throw something? You want me to throw my jacket at you? Well, guess what? This interview is over. I'm done with this shit.